Hey, it's Nancy Juetten. I'm super excited to lead the Done, Dialed, and Designed workshop tomorrow to help you dial in your podcast guesting message so that you are the guest that top hosts can't wait to book. And after all the years that I've been helping folks with their bios and their speaker sheets and their media one sheets, I can tell you that people obsess about getting this right and dialing it in. And nobody on the planet has worked more diligently to refine her mastery around this particular kind of expertise than me. I've been at it since 2008, and I have reviewed thousands and thousands of Media One sheets and made them more bookable for every client that I've had the privilege to serve. I know how much we obsess about this. I know how many hours we spend trying to get it right. But what we really crave is an expert to take a look and say, this could be so much better if, and what if you tried this instead? I come to this work from having been a publicist for many years. I know what it is that breaks through the clutter and breaks through the noise so that you can get the outcomes that you want, which is more stages to share the conversation you're here to lead and the kind of talking points that make you the kind of guest that hosts book readily. I want those outcomes for you. So the workshop is tomorrow. I know you've clicked on it. I know you've taken a closer look. What do I need to do to get you off the dime? If you'd like to give me a call, you can certainly do that. My phone number is 425-442-5690. I'll be taking calls until 8 o'clock p.m. this evening if you want to call me and have a chat. But what I'd like you to do is make a decision because we're going to roll our sleeves up tomorrow and we're going to get this done. And I'm going to do my best to make it fun. And you're going to leave the workshop with a finished product that makes you proud, that dials in the message you most want to share, and also enhances your conviction and your confidence in being able to share it. And those are priceless outcomes that are going to help you attract the opportunities that you want, which is more leads, more clients, more connections, more collaborations, and that beautiful music of ka-ching in your shopping cart when you show up to share your message in a winning way with the conversation you're here to lead. My name's Nancy Juetten. The workshop starts tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. I'd love to have you there. I will put the link in the show notes so you can be a part of it. We will see you soon. And thanks so much. Bye-bye.